Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to list your hotel on booking.com in 2025. The process is super simple, so let's right into it. First, open up your browser and head over to the Google. Type in list your hotel and search for booking.com. You should see a result that says join booking.com. Click on that link. Now you'll be taken to a page like this. Look for the button that says get started and click it. Once you're on the next page, you'll start the registration process for your hotel. First, you'll need to provide your email address, that your name, and then also your phone number. After that, they'll ask you to fill in details about your hotel, like the services you offer, how many rooms you have, and other important information. You can easily add all this information right there, and that's pretty much it. And once you're done, the hotel will be listed on your booking.com. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one as always.